In this video, I will discuss about web design. What is the web design? How web design is important in everyday's life due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Everyone is depending on the internet. If you see, world population is 780 crores. In this 780 crores, internet users are 457 crores. If you see Indian population approximately roughly 136 crores, 56 crore people are using internet. This is the statistics I have taken from www.internet.worldstats.com. If you see how many members are using is the across this, in Asia 50% of the users are using internet, in Europe 16% of users are using, in Africa 12% of users are using, in USA 18% of users are using, Middle East 4% of users are using. So web designing is playing a very important role in everyday's life. Everyone is using the internet. What type of information is required, simply they are googling the information through different types of websites. So what is the web design? If you see, it is the process of creating the website. In earlier video we saw what is in a website, different types of websites we have seen. In this video we will see why we need to design the websites to attract the users, to share the content, to attract the many number of users to your content. So it is mainly depending on web designing, is mainly depending on web page layout. These are called some of the elements in web designing: content production and pages, web pages and graphic design, website protection, navigation, free SSL certificate. This is very important, secure socket layer certificate, and backup and restore, web security, search engine marketing. These are playing a very important role. These are called as web designing elements. So once we are going to designing web design, we need to take care about all these things. How we need to develop our website, what is the banner, what is the home page, what about the other things we need to incorporate in the web designing. So mainly this websites and web designing is using by HTML language, hypertext markup language. So you will see a simple program in HTML how web design will takes place. So this is an HTML language. HTML language will be written in anchor brackets. Anchor bracket, they are called it an HTML. So in this head section will be there, body section will be there. How the output will come, it will see now. This is an HTML, anchor brackets. Head will be written in anchor brackets, title will be written in anchor brackets. This is the first program, sample program I have taken here. So this is backslash. In angular bracket, backslash will defined as title will be closed and head will be closed. What is the body of this program? Body of the program I have taken here due to COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic. This is the body of this HTML programming. So next one is break, BR, break. In anchor brackets, BR is nothing but break. It will showing that here, stay home, stay safe. So next I am closing here body. What is the body is there? In the backslash, closing it, body, and HTML is also closing here, HTML. So what is the output of this program? You see, we will type this program in a notepad, type the program in a notepad, opening this notepad and type the entire program and save this file. Go to the file menu and save it as file.html. .html we need to save it as. The output of the program, it will clearly shows that COVID pandemic, stay home, stay safe. This will be the output of the program. In this way, we need to create web design. So this is a sample program. While creating the web design, we need to remember about the two important concepts, types of web hosting. What type of web hosting is required, what type of the domain name we need to consult. So web hosting will finally again further divide into dedicated hosting and shared web hosting, virtual private network and cloud hosting. These are the different types of web hostings are there. Other types of web hostings also there. Mainly we are following this. Dedicated hosting. What is the dedicated hosting? It means server is devoted to single organization or single user. So many of the companies want to take the servers for a single organization. So server is dedicated for a single organization, then we can call it as dedicated hosting. Shared web hosting. Many number of users will be shared in a single server. Single server, many number of users will be shared. For example, 1,000 users are there, website they are developed. In one server, some little space will be given for each individual user. So 1,000 users will be shared with a single server, then it will call it as shared web hosting. Shared web hosting. Then virtual private network. What is the difference between dedicated hosting and virtual private network? Here, minimum number of sites will be taken into consideration. For 20 websites will be considered here. That is the per server 20 websites only it will be considered. That may call it as virtual private network. So cloud hosting. Cloud means is the website will be stored somewhere in the cloud. The data servers will be stored. The cloud space will be given for as per the render basis. So here we need to remember that once we host the website in a web design, in a better you design website, and you can host in a web design servers, then what is very important point is here, how effectively once you use your domain name, your website will appear to the users. So the time factor is very important. So website should load less than 2 seconds. Less than 2 seconds. So anyone is given in an enterprises website or business website, in academic website or in user's website, a user is given username, domain name www.xyz.com. So once you give the domain name, just enter button, a user will wait only 2 seconds. So your website should be loaded and home page will be appear to the end user. Then this website web hosting is very important. So Google standard time is 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds the server should be loaded into the end user, whatever the information is there. So here we need to remember about the domain name and address of the website. In the earlier video, we saw different types of domains are there. They're mainly .com domain, .net, .org, .ac.in, .guru, .tech, .edu, .gov.in. These are the domain names. So these domain names will be provided by ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. So we need to check whether this domain name is available or not. For example, if you want to check www.usmania.ac.in, so you need to check ICANN, Usmania, whether .com or .ac.in, .gov.in, whatever the domain you are taking, you just type in ICANN and this domain name is available or not, we need to check. So intermediary agencies is also there according to the ICANN. Bluehost is there, and GoDaddy.com is there. They are providing these domain names. Like this, lakhs of domain names providers are there across the globe. So we need to remember that which domain is very important. Domain name choosing is also very important in this. So web hosting, where we need to host your website. End user need to critically think about where we need to host the website. Hosting space. What are the important factors we need to select here? How much hosting space they are providing, or GoDaddy.com, Bluehost.com, or many other name.com, namecheaper.com, like this, many other websites they are providing the hosting space and domain names. So we need to select which website is providing the hosting names and the domain name. So hosting space is important. 5 GB hosting space, 10 GB hosting space, 20 GB hosting space, unlimited hosting space. Some of the domain providers are providing and web hosters are providing this. We need to remember about the bandwidth. number of visitors are visiting to your website. According to that, you need to take the plan, premium plan, gold plan, like that. Many plans will be there. In coming videos we will discuss about in detail website domain name, what factors are important there. Here SSL certificate, secure socket layer certificate, whether it is in a free domain or we need to pay for the domain space. And we also think about the parked domains. What are the parked domains? Today you will take xyz.com, you will be registered. Tomorrow you want to add something to the subdomains, .tech xyz.com, .education xyz.com. So these are the subdomains in the main domain. Emails also, they are providing the website domainers for all these things: hosting space, bandwidth, SSL certificate, pre-domain name, parked domain, subdomains, and emails. So here very important concept is how to choose the right service provider. Who is the right service provider for your domain name? So what are the domain providers across the globe available? I'll take here some of the domain names. GoDaddy.com is one domain, and Namecheap.com one domain, Name.com one domain, Bluehost.com one domain, HostGator.com one domain, and ResellerClub.com one domain, Hey2Hosting one domain, and InMotion Hosting is one domain, Dream Hosting is one domain, Google Cloud is some of the domain name providers, and also they are also providing the web hosting space to safeguard your website. So here some of the Indian web domainers, web domain space providers is also there. HostingRaja.in, this is a Indian web hosting domain space they are providing. BigRock guarantee is one there, and .in register is another one. Is Hostinger India is one is there. HostGator India, these are the domain name and web hosting space providers in India. So we need to remember very important how we need to design website, and designing the website are very important here. Protection of your websites. In a nutshell, we will discuss within 1 minute what we discussed in this video. Web designing is nothing but creating processing of your own website. So web page layout, we need to remember that web page layout, content production, pages, web security, search engine optimization, backup and restore. These are the factors while you are developing your website. We need to take care of all these elements. Whoever is providing this type of elements, we need to take the hosting space and domain names. Okay, we have seen the how HTML page will work. Here we have given one sample program, COVID-19 pandemic, and stay home, stay safe. This output will be given as COVID-19 pandemic, stay home, stay safe. All are, this is the jargon of the HTML language. Types of web hostings, there are different types of web hostings we have seen: dedicated hosting, shared web hosting, virtual private network, and cloud hosting. These are the various differences are there. Choosing the right hosting account, important factor is bandwidth, hosting space, free domain or secure socket layer, parked domains, emails, backup and restore facility. Whenever hackers will come, your domain will not come to the end user. So secure socket layer is very important. You need to secure your website while uploading in the domain name. So these are the different types of providers: Bluehost.com, GoDaddy.com, Namecheaper.com. These are the different types of the providers in web hostings. So these are the different types of web hosting and websites and designing. So this is very important to take care about while you develop your own website or corporate website or a company website or e-commerce website. So in the next video we will see about what type of spaces, what type of plugins are there, WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, how we need to develop website by creating the WordPress.com. Thanks for watching this video, and stay home, stay safe, and I also encourage you to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.